we have the question here, write the degree of the following polynomial. Now you have the polynomial here, you need to write the degree. Degree is your highest power. You can see that the power here is 2. Here the power is, you will add the powers of all the variables. So here the power is 1 and here is 2. So the power will be 1 plus 2, 3. And here the power is 0 because we don't have any variable. Now highest power is 3 here. So the degree of this algebraic expression will be 3. Now we come on this. Here you can add the powers. Here this power 1 and power 2. So this is power 3. Here power 3 is there. Here power 4 is there. So 4 is the greatest. So the degree will be 4 here. Now come on the next. Here there is no power. Here you have power 3. Here if you add them, then the power is 4. And here you can see that power is 5. So highest power is 5 here. So the degree is 5. In this question, we have the expression given minus 7x y square z cube. We need to find out the coefficient of 7x. So, we need to find out the coefficient of 7x. I will leave 7x from this and rest will be our coefficient. So, leaving 7x, I will get minus y square z cube. Now, if I am leaving, now I need the coefficient of minus x y square. So I will leave minus x y square from this and rest will be our coefficient. So a minus sign I am leaving. So 7 x I am leaving, y square I am leaving. So it will be z cube. So 7 z cube. Now the coefficient of x, y, z. I need to leave x, y and z. So leaving x, y and z, I will get minus 7, leaving x. Then we have y square. So from y square I am leaving y. So here you will get y. And from z cube, if I will leave z, I will get z square. Now, the coefficient of 7y z square. So I need to leave 7. So leaving 7, I will get minus sign. Then x. Then from y square, I need to leave y. So only one y is left. And from z cube, I need to leave z square. So only one z is left. So here the coefficient will be minus x, y, z. We have the question here. Identify the terms which contain x and write the coefficient of x in each of the following. Now here you can see that we have two terms. One is 13y square and another is your minus 8xy. So we can see that minus 8xy has your x. So here I can write that the term is minus 8xy. Now the coefficient of x means we will leave x and rest will be our answer. So the coefficient here will become minus 8y. Similarly, let's move on this. Now here you can see that we have two terms which are having x. Now here the terms are, first term is your minus 7xyz, and for this the coefficient will become, I will leave x and rest will be our coefficient. So minus 7yz. Okay. Now second term, your second term is 4x square y. Now the coefficient of x, the coefficient of only x, not x square. Here you have 2x. So here I will take only 1x. The coefficient will become 4xy. We have another question here. We need to find out that which one is monomial, which one is binomial and which one is trinomial. I told you that when we have one term, it is monomial. If I have two terms, it is binomial, and if I have three terms, then it is trinomial. And new term starts with your plus sign or minus sign, means after plus sign or minus sign your term starts. So here this is, you can see that this is only having one term, so this will be considered as your monomial. Okay, now we move on to next. here you can see that we have three terms. First is this, then you have a plus sign, another is this, second is this, and third is this. So we have three terms here. So I will classify it into trinomial. Let's move on to next. Here also you can see we have three terms. AB square is first, minus 5b is second, and minus 3a is third. So here again this is your trinomial. We come on to this. So here you have two terms. Only two terms are there. So this is termed as your binomial. Now here we have 5x square minus 7 plus 3x plus 4. Now minus 7 and plus can be solved. They are like terms. So here I can write this as your 5x square plus 3x and minus 7 plus 4 will become minus 3. Now we can see we don't have any like term. So here now we can term it as trinomial because we have three terms here. So this is your trinomial. Now here also you have three terms. So this is again your trinomial. State whether the given pair of term is of like or unlike terms. We can add or subtract like terms, but we cannot add or subtract unlike terms. So here we need to check which are like terms. Now here you have minus 7 5 by 2. We do not see the coefficient. We need to see the variable. Your variable should be same. So here you can see that you have x and here also you have x. So they are your like terms. Now we move on to next. Here you have x, here also you have x, y is here, but z is not here. So they are your unlike terms. Now next, here you have p, here you have p. Q is there, q is there. So again this is our like term. Now here x is there, but here you have y. So they are different. So when they are different, I can say they are unlike terms. Here you have x, but here you have x square. So x and x square are different. Here z and z square, they are also different. So this is again your unlike term. Now m square, but here you have m. Here p is there and p square is there. They are different. So again this is our unlike term. In this question, we need to write the degree of the polynomial in x. Now, degree is your highest power. Degree means highest exponent or power, we can say that. Okay. Now, we will check in this term. You can see that highest power is 8 here. So, we will say that the degree of this exponent is 8. Now, here we don't have x, only this term is having x. Now when you don't have any power written, it means it is power 1 here. So the degree for this will be your 1. Now you don't have any x term, so we consider it as degree 0. X power, we just think of that here you have x power 0 and anything with power 0 is equal to 1. So the degree of x is 0 here. Now it is easy. The degree of x will be 2 here.